Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install Angular CLI in your computer. My name is Ayaz Zafar and welcome to my channel Ayaz Tech. To install Angular CLI, I assume that you already have installed Node.js in your computer. So I already have installed Node.js on my computer. I'm just checking its version to make sure if it is already installed. And also you can check the version of npm. So you can see that both tools are already installed and working, so we can start installing the Angular CLI. If you did not install Node.js in your computer yet and if you want to learn how to do it, I already have recorded a video that how to install Node.js in your computer using NVM. I have added the link below that how to install NVM in your computer. So you can check that as well if you want to install Node.js first in your computer using NVM. Alright, so let's begin. First of all, you have to run this command ng install. Oh, sorry, you have to install npm install Angular CLI, and you have to pass the global sign with it. So you have to wait for some time. Let me pause the video. Alright, it has been installed. Now it is asking me some questions like if I want to share the anonymous usage data with the Angular team at Google. So it's up to you. It is totally optional, but I always do yes. So okay, it has been installed. So let's make sure if it is working. ng version. No. Maybe I have to restart the terminal. Okay, alright guys, it has been installed perfectly and it is working fine. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my video, share it and comment it, and also don't forget to click on the bell icon so you don't miss any notification from my channel in future. Thank you for watching my video. See you later guys. Bye.